In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate page in Affinity. If you've ever wanted to tilt your canvas slightly to get a more natural drawing angle or to line up details while retouching, this quick technique will make your workflow smoother and more comfortable. We're focusing on rotating the view of your page, not changing the actual document's print orientation, so nothing about your final export or layout is altered, only how you see it while you work. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer. Once the app is up and your document is visible on screen, take a moment to make sure the canvas is in view and you can see the page clearly. This ensures you're ready to control the rotation without interference from panels or tools. Next, click directly on the page. This simple click sets the focus on the canvas area so your rotation applies to the page you're looking at rather than a panel or another interface element. You'll know it's active if you can pan, zoom, or select items as usual. Now for the rotation itself, place your cursor over the canvas, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, on some keyboards this may be labeled Option, and gently roll your mouse's scroll wheel. As you scroll, you'll see the page rotate smoothly in the workspace. Small, slow movements on the wheel give you fine control, while faster scrolling produces a more noticeable tilt. Keep your cursor within the canvas area for the most predictable behavior, and adjust until the angle feels natural for what you're doing. This view rotation is particularly handy when sketching, inking, or painting because it lets your hand follow its most comfortable stroke direction. It's equally useful for precise selections, aligning brushwork, or inspecting edges and angles without constantly changing your body position. Remember, you're only rotating the view you see on screen. Your document's dimensions, orientation, and output remain exactly the same. When you save or export, the artwork will appear in its original orientation, unaffected by the rotation you use to work more comfortably. If the motion seems too quick at first, slow down the scroll and make smaller adjustments. You'll develop a feel for just how much to roll the wheel to get the perfect angle. And if you tend to zoom in while working, consider setting a comfortable zoom level first, then rotate. It's easier to judge the angle when the details you need are clearly visible. That's all there is to it. Open Affinity, click on the page to focus it, then hold Alt and roll the scroll wheel to rotate your view for a more natural, precise workflow.